right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Makawa Farm, the Food and Agriculture Literacy Center at Makawa Farm. My name's Matt Graham. I'm the education coordinator out here. We grow vegetables and we host field trips. So we have volunteers out here today from Nutrition Services, HISD, and also from Vego Garden. The context is Vego has generously donated enough of their panelized garden beds that Sarah will tell you more about in a second to turn our meditation maze into maybe the biggest Vego bed in existence. And I'll tell you about the maze a little bit. The idea is taken from meditation labyrinths or prayer labyrinths. If you ever see them, sometimes they'll pop up in the yard of a Catholic church. But the idea is there's no wrong turns. It's not like the kind of maze that's made to get you lost. It just rings that kind of go into the middle. So you walk in and then you walk out. And the way I like to think of it is the part of your brain that thinks about, oh, I need to turn left now and make all these decisions about where I'm going sort of gets turned off because you're just following a path. And there's something about that just frees up people's minds to figure out that work problem they're working on or relieve some stress. And so ours is very small, but you go in and you can just take as many laps as you want to until you get what you need out of the experience. So hopefully at the end of today when we're done, some of you, if you feel like it, can walk the meditation maze.
All of Vego Garden's panels are modular, so you'll see they're kind of cut. I've got a couple assembled here. Matt has a single panel over on the side. The dark green, British green panels should not have plastic on them. They should be peeled, but you want your corner panels to lap over the outside of your straight panels. On the interior of these panels, there's some bolt holes. You'll put a bolt through the outside and then a washer. On the top two rows, we use stainless steel cap nuts so that when like kiddos or people are digging, you're not like scraping your hands against these bolts on the inside. So cap nuts on the top two rows, regular nuts on the rest of the rows. And then your Vego people, so y'all spread yourselves out so that you can be helpful, are gonna help you guys determine like where these bracing rods go. So they're always gonna go in the fourth hole from the top. So you can pretty much just leave the fourth hole down open on any panels that you're putting together. And then the Vego team's gonna come through and help put bracing rods through the middle, and that helps the kind of tensile strength of the bed not warp over time. If you're curious, the panels are steel substrate coated in aluminum, magnesium, and zinc, so they won't corrode and rust over time. They're USDA certified paint, so they're food safe. They're not gonna leach chemicals into your veggies and herbs and food. And I think that they're gonna last a really long time here at the maze.